Guys, good evening. Topic है all team member is given in the commitment morning time, and after leave the meeting, all are seated in on chair, and they are feeling they are nervous and look each other, and also all are didn't take appointment with the customer and sit in zero whole product. Only one team member are activated with the as a game as a step with the call the employee one employee, then success will get the one employee success, right? It's a big issue, uh, right? Direct बिजनेस द मैनेज की हिम्मत नहीं होती उन लोगों की, करने की हिम्मत नहीं होती, राइट? वो लोग अपने आप ना कॉल कर सकते हैं, ना अपनी बॉडी लैंग्वेज को पहचान सकते हैं, ना कुछ ओनली ना एक दूसरे से जिलस फील करते हैं और नर्वसेस, और कस्टमर ओनली यूज करना जानते हैं उनको. वाई दे बिकम इन द नर्वसेस, फेयर ऑफ द रिजेक्शन and lack of the product clarity, no daily target and pressure, comfort zone in the habit, boss dependency of the mindset, all are taken dependency mindset. Next stage, main problem is that they don't ask for the business in the, I need in the business from your side. Most sales fail because they don't say sir, I need and the business from your side. If you don't ask, you don't get sales asking confidently. As a leader, what should you do? Change in the morning meeting and the structure करूँगा. I will change in the morning meeting structure tomorrow. Ask each member to speak one closing the line and the loudly, make them in the practice. Sir, today I want to close and this shall we complete the progress and the now, can I confirm this order? Practice and daily for the 10 minutes, and confidence comes from the repetition. And next topic is give mandatory on the field rules. After meeting, minimum the 3 physical visits mandatory, and minimum 5 appointment asks, and send proof photo outside lunga. I will take location and outside photo with the client office, right? Is next teach the simple and the 3-step sales or formula. Report daily basis. I will take in the daily sales report, and report build 2 minute, and problem and the identify, and direct close. What is the problem? Communication problem या confidence problem या intention issue, right? Next is remove and nervousness. जो भी इनमें नर्वसनेस फील होगा, जो भी वीकनेस पॉइंट होंगे, मुझे एज ए लीडर करना होगा. आई विल क्लियर दी गाय. आई राइट, only just instead I will ask instead the question, ask instead, where did you get and the struck, what objection in the came, should me and the how you and I spoke. Next is make team and the accountable publicly, name, budget, appointment ask, and business, and what ask the question the customer, and what the analysis, what your judgment to the client, numbers, skill and the excuse. Next is important mindset, give the mindset as a leader. Calls, only focus for calls, meetings, close attempts, revenue will the follow up. If employees feel in the nervous because they didn't feel in the agency, you must create in the agency and the belief, and they are not believe in the product self as an employee. right? Customer will not given in the business automatically. First करना होगा ये employees believe the product on organization. We must and ask and confidently, daily powerful and the closing and the script, 7 days confidence and training plan for the team, strong evening and the review and the format, right? It's matter is the body language. Body language is the important for the business, every field, businessman and a salesman and shopman and any place. Body main matter is body language, right? Is body language is very poor and head down and body weakness and body weak and no and not they are not state and chest is not open. So when you look at them of the morning and the meeting and feel these the people that cannot and sell the life insurance, and customer will not and taken and customer will only take benefit, because body language is very poor, very dull. Only belief, this that is means and there in the belief level of belief level is low. Just सेल्स बिलीव प्रोडक्ट, सेल्स में जितने भी जो सेल्स में वर्क करता है, ओनली प्रोडक्ट जो होता है बिलीव, आपको बिलीव करना होगा पहले एज ए एम्प्लॉय, देन आप बिलीव करोगे, देन आप कर सकते हो, यू कैन सेल. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट देयर इज द बॉडी लैंग्वेज इज टेलिंग यू, शोल्डर डाउन. अगर आपके किसी भी एम्प्लॉय के, मैं ये जजमेंट करता हूँ एज ए लीडर, अगर आपके टीम मेंबर की शोल्डर डाउन है एंड आई कॉन्टेक्ट इन द अवॉइडिंग, आपसे नज़रें नहीं मिला रहा है और आंखें आपको उधर उधर देख के उधर है, आप आई कॉन्टेक्ट इज प्रॉब्लम, सॉफ्ट वॉइस, राइट. आप सोचिएगा कि कस्टमर से कैसे आंखें मिलाते होंगे वो लोग, कैसे आई कॉन्टेक्ट करते होंगे इस तरह. तो सॉफ्ट वॉइस, हैंड इन पॉकेट, हैंड अगर उसके पॉकेट में हाथ डाल रहे हैं और ऐसे, तो इट्स बिग इशू, राइट. लुकिंग एट इच अदर, आप बॉस अगर मीटिंग ले रहे हैं, टेकन ए मीटिंग, बॉस या सीनियर पर्सन एंड एम्प्लॉय, आई कॉन्टेक्टेड इच अदर या अपोजिट टीम मेंबर, अपोजिट कलीग, राइट. तो दिस मीन्स लो कॉन्फिडेंस, fear of rejection, no emotional in the connection with the product, no agency, right. Next is big true about life insurance and the selling in the life insurance is not product selling, it is emotion selling. आपको प्रोडक्ट सेल नहीं करना, आपको इमोशन सेलिंग करनी है. इफ़ योर टीम डजंट बिलीव एंड दे आर protecting the families, they will always feel they are focusing customer. Look at the companies like a Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, IDFC, ICI Prudential, and they security and responsibility and the love from the family. Next is what you should do as a leader, change their identity. Stop saying we sell and the life insurance, start saying we protect and families. Every morning make them say, ask these type of question, ask for product knowledge each other. You sit one of team colleague customer and make बनाइए you are one of colleague team member customer and one of team member employee. Just listen your pitch, only give it the one product. You leave your traditional term plan, health policy. Please check out in the confidence. I am not selling the policy, I am not sourcing the future, and you, as a leader, you should check confidence and you should start the pitch. Identify and change, body language change, speaking change, how to introduce. Just please रखो एज ए लीडर रखूँगा. आई विल कीप one chair is customer, one chair बनाऊँगा, one make a customer and one एक employee. On only how to hand over the visiting card and how to introduce the customer, right. I will training and 1 and 2 year maybe होगा. It's a lot of change. Next, do in the 5 minute and the emotionally drill. Ask one question in the meeting. Client does today. What happens to hitch and the children? Make them and the think. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस बिकम ए मिशन नॉट टारगेट. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस जो है, जो भी रेवेन्यू प्रोडक्ट है, आपका एक मिशन है, नॉट टारगेट. इट्स फिक्स एंड पोस्चर एंड ट्रेनिंग एंड मेक एवरीवन स्टैंड चेस्ट आउट चिन अप. आपकी जो चेस्ट होनी चाहिए एम्प्लॉय की, उसके बाहर ऊपर होनी चाहिए. एंड जो चिन अप है, चिन अप यानी कि झुका हुआ चिन. राइट आई कॉन्टैक्ट, स्पीक लाउडली. Confidence is a physical and a first, mental later. Even a actor in the change posture to feel and the confidence. Right? Remove next. It's the last topic is remove and the customer talking about the mindset. Yes, customer taking the benefit, but not take commission. Respect long-term renewal income. Last topic is important leadership. Important as a leadership point. If you feel and they cannot and the sale and the but careful, sometimes leader is the believe in the transfer to team, and you must and look at them and think they are my and the varage, and I will train them and team member. Energy follow from the top, guys. It's confidence. It's a problem more is a confidence, product knowledge, closing fair, it's body language, it's eye contact, it's belief system. Right? It is important from the product sale. Just करना होगा. I as a leader I will change. I give it the more training. बनाऊंगा. I will make it the one of team member is a customer and one team member is a employee. Just my customer ask more question, right, and employee can sell front of me within a 1 and 2 and within a 1 week and 2 year maybe होगा. It's a lot of change. Guys, प्लीज लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब करिएगा, कमेंट करिएगा. ये मेरा थॉट रहेगा कल के लिए. बिकॉज मैं डेली I collected this nervousness and team member and I learn more. Then I make this type of video. प्लीज लाइक करिए, कमेंट करिएगा, मैक्सिमम से मैक्सिमम. ओके, थैंक यू.
मैंने कुछ